3. Question number 6. Write the following as intervals. First question. X set of x such that x belongs to R, comma minus 4 less than x less than or equal to 6. Set of x such that x belongs to R, minus 4 less than x less than or equal to 6. So here x be the all real values lies between minus 4 and 6 and also included 6. Here minus 4 strictly less than x and 6 x less than or equal to 6. So this interval included 6 and excluded minus 4 and all values lies between 4 to 6. Therefore the interval is less than or equal to represent open interval. Here less than or equal to represent closed, strictly less than open, less than or equal to closed. Second one, x such that x belongs to R, comma minus 12 less than x less than minus 10. Here x be the all real values lies between minus 12 and minus 10. Here x strictly greater than minus 12 and strictly less than minus 10. So all values is lies between only minus 12 to minus 10, not included minus 12 and minus 10. So minus 12 open interval, minus 12 comma minus 10 is the required interval. Third one, x such that x belongs to R, comma 0 less than or equal to x strictly less than 7. Here represent less than or equal to 0 less than or equal to x. So closed interval 0, comma here strictly less than 7. So open interval. Actually it's open interval 0 comma 7 is included 0 and excluded 7. Fourth one, x such that x belongs to R, comma 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Both side less than or equal to symbol. So this interval contain all real values is more than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 4. So both side closed parenthesis, closed square bracket 3 comma 4. So this interval lies between all values 3 comma 4 including both 3 and 4. Question number 7. Write the following intervals in set filter form. First one, open interval minus 3 comma 0. So this open interval, both side having the open parenthesis. So ordinary parenthesis. So the set is x such that x belongs to R, comma minus 3 strictly less than x strictly less than 0. Second one, square bracket 6 comma parenthesis 12 parenthesis close to open. Here this interval set of all real values and between 6 and 12 included 6 excluded 12. So the required sets in set filter form, x such that x belongs to R, comma 6 less than or equal to x strictly less than 12. Then third one, square bracket minus 23 comma parenthesis of 5. This is open interval. Here all real values between minus 23 to 5 and included minus 23 excluded 5. So the respective corresponding set form, set of x such that x belongs to R, comma minus 23 less than or equal to x strictly less than 5. Question number 8. Write universal sets. Would you propose for each of the following? First one, the set of right triangles. Solution. First one, right triangle is a type of triangle. It's a type of triangle. Therefore, the set of triangles contains all types of triangles. Therefore, the universal set of the given set of X such that X is a triangle in plane. Second one, set of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is also one of the kind of triangle. Isosceles triangle is a type of triangle. Therefore, the set of triangle contains all types of triangle. Therefore, the required universal set U equal to set of all X such that X is a triangle in plane. Question number 9. Given the set A equal to 1, 3, 5, B equal to 2, 4, 6 and C equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Which of the following may be considered as universal sets for all the three sets A, B and C? Solution. First, there is a given sets. Set A is equal to 1, 3, 5. Set B equal to 2, 4, 6 and set C equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. First one, set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First set contains these elements. Now, this is considered as set X, say. Clearly, X not a universal set. Set of universal set of A, B and C, because the element 8 belongs to the set C, but that element 8 is not belongs to the set X. Therefore, X is not a universal set of the given sets A, B and C. Second one, empty. Empty set. Empty is a set which contains no element. Therefore, empty set is not a universal set of A, B, C. Third one, the set taken as Y. Let Y is equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 10. Here clearly Y is a universal set. Universal set of A, B, C. because all members of A, B and C are present or in element present in the set Y. Therefore, Y is the universal set of A, B and C. Fourth set is Z. Z equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is Z is not a universal set of A, B, C, because the element 0 belongs to C, but 0 is not belongs to the set Z. Therefore, it is not a universal set of the sets A, B and C.